Welcome back to Development Division. It's Chris, and today I'm going to be doing a very quick install. I will be changing out my gear shift knob for a new one, and it's going to be super quick. We're only going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, so let's get into it. So I'm going to go to this collar here, this silver bezel, pull it down, take that off, and on each side there's a Phillips head screw. Pull those out. And then after that, the gear shift knob should just come out. Pull this off. We'll get our new bezel, drop that on there, and our new shift knob, put that on there as well. There we go. And as simple as that, you have a new gear shifter. This is looking way better than this old one. Whew. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. Come back on Sunday when we will be installing a new steering wheel.